Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Hey everyone, this is the Insta360 Luma Pro. The design immediately grabbed my attention, so today we're going to take a closer look and see how this lightweight gimbal camera with a 1-inch sensor actually performs in real-world use.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
My first impression of the Luma Pro is just how light it feels. Weighing only 218 grams, it's extremely comfortable to hold, and even after using it for an extended period, my hand doesn't feel tired, and when I'm not recording, it's small enough to simply slip into my pocket. That compact size is definitely a big advantage. The white finish is another thing I really like. It looks premium, feels stylish, and has a very clean aesthetic. Honestly, even when the camera isn't switched on, it looks good enough to sit there as a decorative piece. On the front, there's a rotating 2-inch OLED display with 2 customizable buttons positioned underneath. I've configured these buttons for quick switching between video and photo modes along with fast filter changes. Below them, you'll find the joystick, record button, and zoom lever, giving you easy access to the main controls. Interestingly, the screen and control buttons can be detached together as a complete module, allowing for convenient remote control and image transmission. It's a clever and well-thought-out design. In fact, these features are quite similar to what we recently saw on the Luna Ultra. The biggest difference comes from the camera module itself. The Luna Pro uses a 1-inch sensor paired with an f1.8 aperture and a 20mm equivalent focal length. It can record video up to 8K 30 FPS, offers up to 14 stops of dynamic range, and supports 10-bit iLog color mode. It also includes Dolby Vision support, which helps deliver richer colors and more detailed footage. Another useful feature is 4K 30 FPS vertical recording. This makes it much easier to create vertical videos that can be uploaded directly to short video platforms without needing to reframe the footage later. The camera also comes with 47 GB of built-in storage, so you don't necessarily have to carry a separate memory card with you when you're out shooting. In the sample footage shown earlier, you could see both 8K and 4K footage, so now let's talk about how these two modes actually compare when you're using the camera in real life. When shooting in 8K, the level of detail is extremely impressive. Even if you crop into the footage or enlarge a particular section during post-production, the image still retains a high level of sharpness. This gives you much more flexibility when recomposing your shots later. So if your main priority is maximum image quality and you're planning to do more editing afterward, I'd recommend using 8K together with the iLog shooting mode. On the other hand, 4K 60 FPS has some advantages that you simply don't get with 8K. For example, you can use beauty filters and apply filters that are ready for direct output. The footage is also noticeably smoother thanks to the 60 FPS frame rate. So for everyday recording, quick content creation, or situations where you want to shoot and share immediately, 4K 60 FPS can actually be the more practical option. Personally, 4K 60 FPS is the mode I prefer to use most.
The Luna Pro's tracking performance is seriously impressive. With just a quick refresh on the screen, it can lock onto your subject firmly and keep following it. Thanks to the combination of its excellent gimbal design and smart tracking algorithms, we hardly experienced any target loss during our testing. The tracking feels extremely stable. And there's an even easier way to activate tracking. You can simply press the joystick to lock onto your subject. This is especially convenient when you're operating the camera with just one hand. As long as the person or object has a clear outline, the Luna Pro can easily lock onto and follow it. The Luna Pro also comes with 1x to 4x super resolution zoom. As you can see from our test footage of the Guangzhou Tower, the results are quite impressive. When the lighting conditions are good, the 4x super resolution zoom combined with its AI algorithms is actually very usable. It's more than capable of handling situations where you need to capture something from a closer distance. Shooting with the Luna Pro is already very convenient, but what if you don't want to spend time editing your footage afterward? That's where the app's one-click video editing feature comes in. It automatically analyzes your clips, picks out the best moments, adds music and transitions, and then creates a complete short video for you. It's especially convenient when you want to quickly share something on social platforms like WeChat Moments or Xiaohongshu. And as you can see, the automatic editing does a pretty good job. Of course, the Luna Pro isn't only about video. Its photography performance is also impressive thanks to its 37-megapixel camera. It comes with a variety of built-in filters, including Leica, positive film, secondary film, NC, and CC. This lets you capture photos with different looks straight out of the camera, so you don't have to spend extra time doing color correction afterward. It also supports 4K live photos, making it easy to create and share dynamic images directly on social media. When it comes to battery life, the Luna Pro packs a 1550 mAh battery. During our test, it continuously recorded in 4K 60 FPS for 94 minutes, completely using up its 47 gigabytes of internal storage. Even after all that recording, the battery still had 42% remaining, which shows that its battery performance is quite impressive. Overall, the Luna Pro is a gimbal camera that does a great job of balancing image quality, portability, and ease of use. You get the strong image quality of a 1-inch sensor, reliable, intelligent tracking, convenient one-click features, and solid battery life all in a compact package. For everyday vlogging and creative shooting, it can cover almost everything you could ask for. So, if you're looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use camera that can deliver excellent image quality while making the shooting process simple, the Luna Pro is definitely worth considering. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow the channel. Your support really means a lot to us. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!